Hi everyone, this is Dan with Permagreen, and I wanted to talk to you about setting your spread rates for the Triumph sprayer spreader. Now in the Triumph sprayer spreader, we have the 3-hole Let's Go style hopper mechanism. I'll show you right there, and that's going to have the 3rd hole slide plate mechanism as well, as you can see going back and forth there. That's going to control everything that gets shot to the right hand side. But when you are setting your spread rate in the Triumph, what you can do, if you look at a bag of fertilizer and it has the Let's Go push spreader setting on it, that's actually equivalent to our machine in low gear. And then you can add 2 notches on that to get your high gear setting if you want to set it for high gear, run it in high gear. So for example, if a bag call has a 15 on a Let's Go push spreader setting, and you want to run high gear, that would be 17 for those 2 center holes. And you want to use your gauge keys, your Let's Go gauge keys here, to set that. That's the most accurate way of setting your rate, making sure you're putting out the right amount of product there. But yeah, and also for the 3rd hole, once you do have those center holes set, you can, and I got it set right here, I'd open that up about 2/3 of the way open compared to those other 2 holes, and that should get you an uneven pattern there. So once you got that set, you can use your rate adjusters on the Triumph to lock that setting down, and you should be good to go, and you should be putting out the right rate and putting it out evenly. So hope that helps. If you have any other questions, let us know. We'll be at 1-800-346-2001.